Brother Sean, for the sake of the vows, before we go there, we will just ask if there's anyone who have a problem with this day. Is daar enige iemand in woord is hierso? So now to make this official and also according to the law, we need to ask, is there anyone who have a legal objection to what is happening here today? Daar's niemand nie. En, as a representative of God, but also from the government, I can hereby declare that you are legally married, and in the name of God, you are also officially in covenant with God. Hallelujah. But I think you want to kiss. So you are allowed to kiss your bride. Maar ek het nou net gehoor, iemand het vir my laat weet, die Afrikaanse mense verstaan nie wat dit gebeur nie, dit was die Engelse soen. So, ek wil dan nou net sê, julle bruidegom, hiermee mag jy jou bruid soen in Afrikaans ook.
Very good. Oh, she got the camera on that one.
No, I got it on video.
Ja, die Afrikaanse een was mooier.